Another rookie here.
Ang maganda sa middle blocker lineup ni Coach Jorge ay kaya nilang mag-slide. Not all middle blockers are comfortable with slide attacks.
Creamline has opened up a 4-point lead and a service ace. Take a look at that service ace by Sheena Turing. From a champion team in the UAAP to a champion team in the PBL.
Integration ni Sheena Turing because of the system of Coach Sherwin Meneses.
Genesis couldn't escape that double block. Valdez from the back row.
Liza Valdez has been so active here in the first set. Going from the front and the back.
Another one by Sheena Turing. Like you said, seamless.
Target locked.
Fitting right in. Bump set. Negrito. The toss. Galanza. The kill.
Creamline's just putting so much pressure on the reception and floor defense of Capital One.